Hello, science teachers. Welcome to Real Science Challenge. I'm Kent Louie, teaching science and broadcasting from beautiful Vancouver, Canada. And I drink a lot of coffee. You're probably wondering, how much? Well, this compost bucket full of coffee grounds is how much coffee I drank in the first 4 months this school year. But is there something else we can do with all these coffee grounds besides composting? Well, this episode, I show you how we can use coffee grounds to show what's happening under the ground. Handouts for this episode can be found at realsciencechallenge.com EP27. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When I first started brewing coffee here every day at school, I dumped the coffee grounds into a beaker. I didn't think much about it, but then as the beaker started filling up, I began seeing this, which is layers of different colors. And these different colors are due to, roasting differences. Some beans are roasted very lightly and some have a very dark roast. But when you pour them over each other, you see layers. See, you have a nice dark layer here, dark beans here. You have a nice light layer here, light beans there, right? And dark beans on top. And this is an awesome way to show students what sedimentary rock layers look like. It's the same story here in this beaker as it is in the earth. Layers of coffee grounds are poured over each other, just like layers of rock form over each other. The newer layers of coffee grounds are closer to the top, just like newer layers of earth are closer to the top. Visually, you get to see where one layer ends, another one begins. And also the thickness of each of these layers is directly proportional to how long I drank that coffee bean for, just like the thickness of rock corresponds to time. So you see, if you collect coffee grounds, so don't throw away your coffee grounds, by the way, you're able to kind of create these layers. And what a cool way and practical way to show sedimentary rock. Now, I've only been able to create this once because it does require that I use one bean to create one layer and then switch to another bean with a different roasting profile. So if you're going to do this, be prepared to drink really dark coffee for a few weeks to build up a good layer, and then switch to a light or medium roast for a few weeks, and then to switch back. And in our handouts, I'll provide you with some jargon as to what constitutes a dark roast and what constitutes a lighter roast. That's it for today. Please leave a comment in the section below if you're trying or have tried this activity in your class, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and remember to science everywhere, every day.